Hello everyone, I hope I find you well. Welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about six-figure grid reference, but before we do that, let's have a recap of the previous lesson. The previous lesson was about four-figure grid reference. So we talked about the Eastings and the Northings, and we said the Eastings are the vertical lines which are numbered at the bottom or at the top sometimes, and while the Northings are the horizontal lines which are numbered at the left and at the right sometimes, and they create a network of grid squares like this and numbered both sides sometimes. Right, so how do we use these Eastings and Northings to locate features on the Eastings and the Northings? Can be used using the golden rule, which we said the Eastings should start. We say the Eastings first. So suppose we have the feature A, we want to locate its location. We use the lower left corner, which I'm highlighting here. The Easting for the lower left corner is 51 and the Northing is 29. So our four figure for feature A is 51, 29. Let's move on to the feature B. The feature B, lower left corner for the feature is this one. Then the Easting for that is 49 and the Northing for that is 27, sorry. So 49, 27 is our four figure. Then for the feature C, lower left corner is this one. The Easting for that is 53 and the Northing for that is 26. So our four figure is 53, 26. That's it for the previous lesson. Let's dive into today's lesson. Thank you. Right, today we are going to talk about the six figure. So the four figure is a general method which we use to locate a feature. For instance, for a map of scale 1:50,000, this grid square will be representing 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer on the actual ground, or 1000 meters by 1000 meters. So it's a very big space to talk about. For instance, we want to locate a homestead which is painted red there. It will be a position of 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer. It cannot take you there, the four figure. It will just take you to a general place where the homestead which we are talking about is located. Right, so we need to be more specific. So remember, we said the box is 1000 by 1000. So if we want to divide this box with our own Northings and our own Eastings, right, with our own Northings and Easting, if we divide it into 10 pieces, it becomes each square which we have created here, as you can see on that blue shaded box, it will be representing 100 meter by 100 meter, which is more specific, which is a more specific location. Right, so let's say here we want to locate our red box. The first thing is to find our four figure. The left lower corner for the whole box is this one. So what is the main Easting here is 3-2 and the Northing is 4-3. Right, so we start to divide this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right, as you can see, we have divided our box. So we want to see on what Easting is our homestead located. So we say this is 1, 2, 3, right? Then our 3 is here. So these first 3 numbers are representing Eastings, while the 7 and the second 3 are representing the Northing. So let's go to the Northings. Now we know where the 43 is coming from. So we are now working for the last 2. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes. Right, So where is our homestead located? It is located on 1, 2. Here is our 2. Then our 6 figure is finished. Let me give you another illustration before we close. Let's talk about this one, which is a further illustration of what we are talking about today. So this is a 1000 by 1000 box, which is already been demarcated for you already. It has been demarcated for you into smaller pieces, into 10 equal pieces. So let's start with this one. The 4 figure for it, our Easting remains 77 here. So let's put our 77 here. 77. What about the 3rd figure of the Eastings? Where do we get it from? Like for this example, we have already demarcated the 10 pieces already. So, and we have already numbered them. So 1, 2, 3, right? We put our 3 here. Our Northing is 25, and we put our 25 here. And the last figure, the 6th figure, which is the 3rd figure for the Northings, it is already numbered. We start to count 1, 2, and 3. It is also 3 here. Right, let's move on to this one, to this feature. This feature is also located on 7, 7, 4 figure, 7, 7. Let's find the 3rd figure for Eastings. We start to count here. At the bottom, 1, 2. Easting number 2. So for Eastings, the 3 figures are complete. Let's move on to the Northings. Our Northing 25 remains the same. Our Northing 25 remains the same. So what about the last figure? It's already numbered for us. It is 9. Right. This is our 6 figures with reference for this figure. For that one, I will leave you to do that. Give me the answer in the comment section. Show me the answer in the comment section. Thank you. Let's move on to a more specific illustration, which is a map situation, an actual map situation. Okay. Situation may be like this. So let's locate this feature A, which I'm putting here. This feature, to locate this one, the lower left corner rule will still apply here. So what is the Easting for that? It's 27. The Easting is 7. What about, I'm going to estimate, because this is just for practice, to estimate that this feature will be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So mine is estimate, yours will be more accurate, because I suggest you use a ruler so that you can demarcate the pieces into equal parts. So for this one, I also estimate for the Northings. So this one I'll estimate to be 4, position 4. Then for the Northings, our Northing is 81. If you don't still remember how to use this kind of Northing figures, go back to the other video which is there on this channel, right? So it's 81 here. Then what about then the 3rd Northing? I just suppose it's 5. Right, that's our 4 figure grid reference, our 6 figure grid reference, I'm sorry, for this one. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribe, share, and comment. For the next video, let's meet next time. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you.